Only just a little boy, I learned life can be cruel. Said I'll try to save the world, they told me I was a fool, and made me their stepping stool. Now I've grown into a man, a fool, yes I may be, but all the while I've kept the dream deep down inside of me, and now it's breaking free. Life isn't all the things that we may wish or want, but never cease to give it everything you got. And though some things are stolen, ripped right at the seam, if you have breath then you still have a chance to dream. Some of us have had the start where everything was given. Some of us have scratched and scraped to simply make a living, and keep the fight up every day. Money, power, privilege, a dream is so much more. And if you've lost your dream, it hurts if rich or if you're poor. You feel it down right through your core.